I hate exercise. But when you live in Alaska and the motorcycle is parked for the winter, you don't really get a choice. Join me for days of snow removal and some winter fun. It's a super snowy day today. It snowed a lot overnight, and it's snow removal day. All right, well, check this out. Lots of snow. That's gonna take me hours. First thing first, create an area for my snowblower to pull out on. And there's Ollie right there. Can't wait to ride again. But for now, it's snow blowing time. Getting there. It's okay. In the beginning of winter, it's kind of fun to use the snowblower, but this is just day one of several snow days in a row. And while the snowblower is doing most of the work, by day 3, it's not as much fun anymore. And that's it. It's done. And it's the driveway here looks good, but where I started in the parking area, it's completely snowed in again. So I guess I have to repeat tonight, or
maybe tomorrow. I'll decide. I still have a lot to do. I actually need to still get the snow off of the truck, and the treehouse deck needs to be shoveled and the stairs to it. My deck is getting kind of heavy there too. Lots of snow. And no helper. Yeah, so I better get to it.
That was enough work for today. Tomorrow, I have to shovel the deck. Today we continue. The chicken coop doesn't carry a lot of snow, so I have to shovel that off. And my deck, there's so much snow. So much snow. I'm still tired from yesterday. I hate exercise. Exercise in Alaska. Who needs a gym? Who needs a gym? This is my gym
No stripping. I gotta get the broom shovel. It goes quicker. I want to try to do something about those icicles and the snow buildup on my Starlink. My internet is not super fast right now. Well, I'm not sure how well that worked. It's always different. Every winter is different. Sometimes it ices up. And, especially with the melt function, I'm questioning if it's even a good idea. I had a winter where I didn't use the melt function at all, and it worked just fine. And this year, I am using the melt function. And it's about a third covered with ice. And it's not melting the ice. So, yeah, I still have internet. It's good enough to work. I guess one has to be thankful for that. I should show you what I work at sometime as a graphic designer. So I do rely on that stupid Elon Musk device because I'm off grid and there isn't another choice. I really don't like using it, but I have no choice. That's what I have here. Kind of a bummer. Works really well though. Aside from the ice. Okay. There's new snow. I'm going to use the snowblower again. I'm not going to bore you with it. You already seen that earlier. Okay. Deep breaths. More exercise. More exercise. gets your heart rate up, and it's fun, and you're outside. I really don't like going to the gym, aside from the fact that the nearest gym is 60 miles south. Not really feasible. And the only gym membership I ever had, I never really used. Just getting out here and walking around in your snowshoes, to me that's a lot more fun than being on a treadmill and running in place. That seems weird. Yeah, so I hate exercise, but I do like this, and I like kick sledding and skiing. Those things are fun. Lots of snow now, and I know I have to go back to snow blowing again. So much new snow. And you see the snow here? Can't make a snowball. Doesn't work. It's too fluffy. So that I would like to add sometimes to make a snowman, but that's only on rare occasions in the spring, when the snow gets wet enough. Yeah, there's hardly a way to make a snowball, so no snowman either. But I have built a snow bunny in April, and that's just because the snow gets sticky. It doesn't work every year, but I've done that. And then you use skis for the ears and put snow around the skis, so it looks like a true snow bunny. So that's my way of staying fit during the winter time. And I honestly reframe it like that too, because all that snow removal work, that's not always fun. And it hurts my shoulders and my arms get tired. But I always reframe it to say to myself, I'm going to be fit for next summer when I ride my motorbike. And if I need to pick it up, I have the muscle strength, hopefully. I tried picking up my DR 650 in the summer. Obviously it was well, a little bit of a bumpy, grassy area, but still, I mean, it wasn't in a ditch or anything, so it was ideal conditions, and I tried it a few times, and it's hard, it's tough. I could do it, but it's tough. So you see, I do have to stay active in the wintertime. I can't just sit on the sofa and get fat. I'm actually losing a lot of weight right now. For the very first time, I've resigned to taking medicine. I'm not a fan of medicine. I don't like to even take an aspirin or an ibuprofen. I just don't. But sometimes you have to. And in this case, after, yeah, I mean, pretty much after, let me think, 19 years of never losing weight, but only gaining, even though I adjusted my food and how I eat and when I eat, and intermittent fasting and grain-free eating and all the things that one has to do to manage glucose levels. It just never worked for me, and now it does. Now it does. I already lost over 20 pounds in a relatively short amount of time, but again, you know, with help. And I feel great. So I'm 2 pant sizes down. These pants are getting kind of loose. Might need new pants next winter. And these are quite expensive, but worth it. What are these? Mountain Hardwear. I have them for, gosh, I don't know. Yeah, 20 years probably. I have them already. They're still great. And keep me warm. Too warm today because it's just barely under freezing temperatures right now. Just a little bit of wind. But yeah, I feel good. And this exercise, obviously, I don't even see that as weight loss. To be honest, I don't do exercise for weight loss. I have tried this so many times, And I know other women can attest to that too. Like, you can exercise all you want, and sometimes you just don't lose weight because there are underlying conditions, which is the case here. So I'm trying to fix that by losing weight. Hopefully my glucose will be better regulated after I shed the unnecessary pounds. And then I need a new motorbike jacket and pants too. Oh my gosh, it just dawns on me. All worth it. All worth it for health. And being outside and breathing fresh air, and yeah, just being outside is good for the soul, for my mental health. I need to be outside. And sometimes I forget in the winter because the daylight hours are few and there are chores to be done all the time. Sometimes you don't get around to doing this here, the fun part of winter. But today I'm taking time anyway. But I do have to go back to removing snow too one more time on the snowblower, because we got about this much more snow. And if I don't do it today, then tomorrow's snowfall will be added to it. It's just too much. So I'll get to it right now. More workouts. Winter workouts.